We are advancing faster now.
Watch the torque, keep it steady.
We're clear on the left side.
Okay, tightening the bolt now. Set the mesh higher up.
At a cost of $46 billion, the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel will be the world's longest expressway.
Confirm the connection.
Confirmed. Signal the lift.
Lifting the load.
Deep within the Tianshan Mountains, this centralized batching plant operates around the clock, producing the
This load is secure. We are ready to move out.
Copy that. Proceed to the staging area.
The Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, a $46 billion endeavor, requires moving mountains of material.
好了，可以走了，收到。
To build the world's longest expressway tunnel, the logistics operation alone is a monumental task.
We have to maintain the pace. Unload the steel now. The next convoy is already approaching the checkpoint.
The logistics at the Tianshan Shengli base camp are a marvel of modern engineering, ensuring a constant supply of materials.
This 842-foot expressway requires unprecedented logistics, moving massive tunnel bores.
High in the Tianshan Mountains, precision engineering guides the way for the Shengli Tunnel, a
High in the Tianshan Mountains, this $46 billion project requires unprecedented ground stabilization techniques.
The commitment of the crew is absolute. They are building the world's longest expressway tunnel.
At 9,842 feet, the Shengli Tunnel demands absolute precision. Here, the
Final system check complete. All green.
Confirmed. TBM activation sequence initiated.
We have contact, maintain pressure.
readings are stable, moving forward. At the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, a massive effort is underway. Conveyor belts and heavy loaders work
deeper into the Tianshan. The drilling progresses relentlessly, a testament to engineering on an unprecedented scale.
Keep the pressure steady on arm 3.
A critical milestone in the Tianshan Shengli project. This controlled blast clears the path forward for the world's longest expressway tunnel.
The overbrake looks stable here.
Scan confirms the profile.
All right, let's clear the area for the TBM.
This is the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, a $46 billion endeavor pushing the boundaries of engineering deep underground. Deep within the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, the massive haulage system moves thousands of tons of blasted rock every single day.
Inside the massive Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, this $46 billion project relies on colossal fans to clear the air before the TBM can advance.
Bring it forward another 2 meters.
Confirmed. Moving slowly.
Check the alignment on the right support. All right, easy now. Bring her down 50 millimeters.
Confirmed, 50 millimeters. Looking good, boss.
Engage the locking mechanism.
The massive tunnel boring machine powers on, its colossal cutter head beginning the arduous task of carving through the Tianshan mountain range.
Deep within the Tianshan, the logistics are as challenging as the drilling itself.
Every segment must be delivered.
The erector arm maneuvers the final key segment into place. With this ring complete, the tunnel pushes further through the formidable Tianshan Mountains.
This is the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, a $46 billion engineering marvel pushing through
This is the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, a monumental $46 billion project requiring continued.
This is the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, a monumental $46 billion effort pushing through rock and ice.
With the TBMs advancing deep underground, the sheer volume of excavated rock requires a massive logistic.
Final check on the wiring. Looks good, let's move out.
This marker signifies a critical achievement, the deepest point of the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel.
At 9,842 feet, this will be the world's longest expressway tunnel. A testament deep beneath the mountains, the massive tunnel boring machine grinds through the rock, paving the way for the structural lining.
Spanning nearly 10,000 feet, the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel requires flawless permanent lining and advanced ventilation to withstand the extreme mountain cold. Inside China's $46 billion Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, the massive steel formwork is positioned for the permanent concrete lining. Deep within the Tianshan Mountains, the Shengli Tunnel requires a constant flow of concrete, pumped through miles of pipeline in freezing conditions.
High-pressure pumps inject the concrete behind the massive formwork. The vibration ensures a dense, void.
The curing phase is critical. Here in the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, moisture control systems maintain optimal conditions for the concrete.
Controlling the massive groundwater flow is critical. These integrated drainage channels, stretching nearly 10,000 feet.
Pressure rising to 100 psi.
Hold it there. I see a breach at the lower joint.
Confirmed. We have a leak.
The Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, an engineering marvel at over 9,000 feet, relies on these massive.
These high-capacity axial fans are critical, ensuring stable airflow through the world's longest expressway tunnel.
As the world's longest expressway tunnel pushes forward, the installation of these massive fire suppression pipes is.
Check the pressure seal again, and we can't afford any leaks with the water levels below.
It's holding steady. The ventilation system is fully operational.
These control cables are the nervous system of the tunnel, vital for safety in the extreme conditions.
Inside China's $46 billion Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, the world's longest expressway at 9,842 feet.
Battling extreme cold and blizzards, these crews work tirelessly to install the critical waterproofing layers of the tunnel.
This mega engineering project pushes the boundaries of construction in one of the most challenging environments on Earth.
Delivering materials to the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel means navigating some of the world's most treacherous.
慢点儿，西永路滑。
收到，正在铺写。
At 9,842 feet, the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel requires pinpoint accuracy.
Okay, team, listen up. The pressure equalization sequence starts at 0800 hours. Monitor the structural integrity closely, especially section 4.
Keep the tension steady. Slowly rotate the segment.
Confirmed. Watching the load.
Inside the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, a $46 billion endeavor. To combat the extreme cold,
The laser scans show perfect alignment.
waterproofing looks solid.
We can sign off on this section.
Pictures. This is the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel. At nearly 10,000 feet, it is the world's longest expressway.
Ventilation fans synchronized and running at full capacity.
Confirmed. Lighting grid stabilization successful.
The night shift operations continue under freezing conditions, highlighting the engineering precision required for the massive Tianshan Shengli Tunnel.
These maintenance walkways provide critical access to the ventilation and waterproofing systems deep within the mountain.
Even in the grip of a fierce blizzard, construction on the world's longest expressway tunnel continues uninterrupted, a testament to human endeavor.
Spanning nearly 10,000 feet, the Shengli Tunnel represents a massive leap forward in cold region expressway construction.
At nearly 10,000 feet, the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel requires innovative engineering to manage the extreme. At nearly 10,000 feet, the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel represents an unprecedented engineering challenge in extreme conditions.
The Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, an engineering marvel, as the final phase of the expressway build begins.
Deep within the Tianshan Shengli, the massive road base is prepared. Compacting the aggregate.
The Shengli Tunnel requires the road base to be compacted to exacting standards before the asphalt layer is laid.
This is the heart of the Shengli Tunnel. The asphalt paver, calibrated to the millimeter.
The scale of the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel project is unprecedented. Here we see the final layer of asphalt.
The completion of the final asphalt layer marks a monumental achievement. The Tianshan Shengli Tunnel is now the world.
The infrared sensors confirm the road base is stable and cooling as expected.
Check the ventilation metrics one last time.
All systems are optimal, Director Chen. The airflow is perfect.
To validate the structural integrity of the world's longest expressway, massive loads are applied.
The ventilation system activates. a critical test to ensure air quality deep within the mountain.
Team 1, move the stretcher now. Clear the path. We are running against the clock. Confirmed. Safety protocols are engaged.
After years of construction, the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel is finally open, marking a new era for regional travel.
Inside China's $46 billion Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, the world's longest expressway at 9,842 feet.
Inside China's 46B Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, world's longest express.